Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to reset your forgotten PayPal account's password using the PayPal app on your Android or your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, launch open the PayPal app on your device. Soon after you do that, you'll be asked to enter your password for your PayPal account. Let's say you have forgotten your PayPal account's password and you're looking for a way to reset or change to a new one. From the password field, tap on Forgot Your Password, and then on the next page, you'll need to click on I'm Not a Robot. On the next page, go ahead and write down your email associated with PayPal, and once you are done, click Next. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and click on Next once again, and you'll receive a verification text on your mobile number via SMS. Soon after you receive your code, type it down in the text box and click Submit. On the next page, you'll be asked to create a new password. Create a new password for your account, re-enter the new password once again, and after typing down your password, for your security, tap on Log Out of All Device and then click on Save Password. Checking on log out of all devices makes you log out of all the devices that is currently using your PayPal account's credential and signing into your PayPal account. After you click on this checkbox, this will prevent you from unauthorized access, and you have successfully reset your new password for your PayPal account. Next time while signing into your account, make sure to enter the newly updated password and you will be able to regain access back to your account. So that is how you can easily reset your forgotten password on your PayPal account using the PayPal app on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.